In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn connections from employers. If you're looking to keep your professional network private, this quick setting will make your full connections list invisible to everyone who views your profile, including recruiters and current or potential employers. Start by opening the LinkedIn app and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, tap your profile icon at the top left. This opens the account menu where you can access your account controls. From there, go into Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Visibility. This area controls how your profile and activity are shown to other people on LinkedIn, so it's the right place to manage your privacy preferences. Within Visibility, find the option called Who Can See Your Connections. Tap that and simply turn the setting off. When you switch it off, your connections list will no longer be visible to anyone but you. That includes colleagues, recruiters, and people browsing your profile. It's an all-or-nothing control, so the list is hidden from everyone, not just employers. A quick note for clarity, even with this setting off, other members may still see mutual connections when they visit a profile you both share. That's normal. LinkedIn shows overlaps to help people understand shared relationships. But your full list stays private. Also, this change doesn't notify anyone, and it doesn't affect your ability to connect with people, send messages, or be discovered for opportunities. Your posts, endorsements, and other profile elements will still follow whatever visibility choices you've set elsewhere. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. On desktop, the same control lives in Settings and Privacy under the Visibility area, so you can adjust it from a computer if that's more convenient. While you're in the Visibility menu, it's a good place to remind yourself what else is being shared, like your profile photo visibility and activity status, so you can keep your privacy consistent over time. And that's all there is to it. With one toggle, you've hidden your LinkedIn connections list and kept your network private, which can be especially helpful if you're exploring new opportunities or simply prefer discretion about who you're connected to. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or want me to cover more LinkedIn privacy tips, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.